Well, the term environmentalism means different things to different people, of course. In my view, the evidence that the climate is changing and that human activities are most likely the driving force has become so strong as to be almost incontrovertible at this point.
I think most of us are not living sustainably. We need big change in a very short amount of time. If we listen to what climatologists and climate scientists are telling us, it's midnight.
I'm Stephen Hamilton. I'm a professor here at Michigan State University in the Department of Zoology. I do research on aquatic ecology. I work on fresh waters of all sorts, wetlands, streams, rivers, lakes, and I also do some work on soils and agricultural ecology.
My name is Lori Thorpe, and I wear a bunch of hats. The first hat I wear is I coordinate the undergraduate environmental studies specialization. I'm one of the faculty steering team members here at the farm and helped really get the farm started 10 years ago. I'm also one of the founders of the just newly launched sustainability specialization here on campus.
We really need to get away from our fossil fuel dependent economy and search for new renewable energy sources or more environmentally friendly. We're actually pumping greenhouse gases into the atmosphere and causing warming that even if we stop now would last for centuries, and so we're saddling future generations with an altered climate because of our patterns of consumption and energy use. Also, our growing population is putting stresses on our fundamental life support systems, which often involve ecosystem services provided by environments that we tend to take for granted. We tend not to include them in our normal economic valuation. And so to the extent that we're degrading those fundamental services and compromising the abilities of future generations to enjoy what we have, that presents a serious problem. So our consumption of energy is, you can't really overstate how profligate it is at this point in time. And so we need a fundamental change in the way we value and use energy.
Average American, if we're going to say average American, you bet. And I'll even put myself in that. Yeah, I would say I'm not living sustainably or as sustainable as I would like to. It's difficult.